Hi, my name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video we are going to solve together an intermediate level SQL problem. So to begin, we need to enter this website, sqlscorepractice.com, and inside this website we can practice our SQL skills. So after doing this, we need to select the hospital database because we are going to work with hospital data. We need to click on view all questions, select difficulty medium, and then we need to select the third question. So we can see the question says show patient ID and first name from patients where their first name starts and ends with S and is at least 6 characters long. Okay, so I can take a look to the table. We can see here are the columns. So the table is information about or has information about patients inside a hospital. If we click on get hint, we can get the expected output. So our output should look like this at the end. If I click again on get hint, I can get some solution keywords. So for example, select, where, and like. I can use this. And if I click again on get hint, I can get a portion of the solution. So here I can see, and only do this if you are stuck and you cannot do this by yourself. I encourage you now to pause the video and try it yourself. If you are stuck and don't know how to continue, or if you want to compare your results, you can resume the video and we can do it together. So in order to answer this question, we need to understand the problem. So here it says again, show patient ID and first name from patients where their first name starts and ends with S and is at least 6 characters long. So at the beginning it says show patient ID and first name. So we can start by doing that by using select, and here it's already giving us the name of the columns. So I'm just going to use those. Select patient ID, comma, first name from the patient's table, and also say where. So we need to filter where the first name starts and ends with S. So to do that, we need to select where first name, and now to filter by only the names which start and ends with S, we need to use the like clause. So the like clause is going to allow us to just select those rows which have some information we are going to give, or the same information we give. So for example, inside these single quotes, we can say, for example, like S. So here, if I do this, nothing's going to occur because there are no names, or there are not first names which only have an S. But if I use, for example, underscores, here it's going to show me names which start with S and after that have 1, 2, 3, 4 characters more. So we can see here the first name has an S and 1, 2, 3, and 4 characters more. So in total, 5 characters long. But here it needs to be 6 characters long at least, and also the name needs to end with S. So This already starts with S, but I need something like this one, which also ends with S, but with 6 characters long. So to do that, I need to use a wildcard. The wildcard is going to tell SQL that I want any character, or it represents any character and any longitude of characters, any name or any number of characters. So it doesn't matter what goes after this, like spaces, 10 characters, or no characters at all. It doesn't matter as long as we have the S at the beginning and 1, 2, 3 more characters. So with this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters long. It could be 6 or more with the wildcard, but it can also be none. So I need to make sure that it's at least 6 characters long. So to do that, I only need to include the S at the end. So in this case, you have 1, okay, from the beginning, from left to right. S is the first character, 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be 1 or 0 or many. And 6. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I just need to include one more. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it could be at least 6 or more. So if I run this query, we should have the query correct, and exactly we got the query correct. So here's the solution. It's the same as we did it, and here are some alternative solutions, so you can compare it with yours. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow me, and I'll see you in the next video.